Today, Lock & Cal explains Dodge code P1DD2 when the vehicle loses communication with the head-up display module.
It can look like a simple dead HUD, but the code is really a network health warning.
Sometimes you'll also see multiple communication faults elsewhere, and even safety indicators, because modules share data paths. Here's the anatomy. The HUD is just one module on the vehicle's serial data network. Speed, navigation, and alert data travel as network messages, routed through gateways, then rendered onto the windshield. For the HUD to stay online, it needs stable power, solid ground, and correct wake and sleep behavior. When communication fails, the physics usually starts with four culprits: opens, shorts, high resistance, or bus faults. An open circuit means the module can't get current, so it never wakes up to answer the network. A short to ground collapses voltage, and sometimes a single pinched wire can drag other modules offline. High resistance from corrosion or fretting can pass a continuity check, yet still cause dropouts under load. Bus-level faults can distort signaling, especially if a module holds the network in a dominant state or termination is wrong.
After collision or dash work, connectors can be strained, grounds left loose, or harnesses routed under stress.
Professionals start by checking the entire vehicle, confirming which modules report communication issues, and which ones seem missing.
Next, verify power feeds and relays under load, because a circuit can look fine until it's working. Ground integrity is proven with voltage drop behavior, not just resistance, so you catch hidden losses in the return path. Then inspect connectors for pin backout, poor tension, moisture, or overheated plastic that changes contact pressure. With wiring verified, you check network behavior to decide if the HUD is truly offline, intermittent, or being pulled down. Finally, configuration matters. A replaced or updated module may need software alignment so the network trusts its identity. So treat P1DD2 as network integrity. Power and ground first, then connectors, bus quality, then configuration. No guesswork swapping.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Lock & Cal for more content like this.